Day. It's me, Sana Rahnama of Standard 7, and I'm glad to have the opportunity to say a few words on this special occasion of Independence Day. On this day, in 1947, India woke up to a new lease of life and freedom. It was a day of a fulfillment. It was the day of a new beginning, the rebirth of a nation. On the stroke of a midnight, our country came into our life again as the British handed over the reins of India back to us. But our forefathers' happiness was marred by the communal rights and bloodshed that followed the Indo-Pak partition, the echoes of which can still be heard all through the years. India's struggle and eventual independence stretches over 200 years and is sorrowful and bloody. Today, we remember countless legends who laid down their lives for our freedom. Our freedom who valued more than their own lives. As we host the national flag and sing the national anthem, let us remember the struggles and achievements that have shaped our nation. Our freedom is a reminder that we have the power to shape our destiny and to chase our dreams and to make a difference in the world. Independence Day ignites a feeling of patriotism among people. It unites the people and makes them feel that we are one nation with so many languages, religions and cultural values. इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को हमेशा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना, अपने दिल में बसाए रखना। Occupying the current affairs and several stages are several words that we have been hearing time and again over the past. Overpopulation, corruption, illiteracy, poverty, malnourishment, etc. It is ironic that on one hand, some of the top billionaires of the world are Indians. On the other, the highest number of people below poverty line live in India. Such unbalance and diversity in lifestyle does not contribute to unity. Rather, it shows a country with unhealthy feelings and tears it apart from the inside. Let us use this freedom to create a brighter tomorrow where every individual can thrive and reach their full potential. As I have came into the end of my speech, I want to add some more lines. ज़माने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कफन नहीं होता। ज़माने भर में मिलते हैं आशिक कई, मगर वतन से खूबसूरत कफन नहीं होता। नोटों में लिपट कर और सोने में लिपट कर मरे हैं कई, नोटों में लिपट कर और सोने में लिपट कर मरे हैं कई, मगर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कोई कफन नहीं होता, कोई कफन नहीं होता। थैंक यू। जय